So you can add the new into the old.
Right on top of the old.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Of course, it only took 20 years to make that happen.
Yeah. Learning curve there. Is it highly flammable? You know that stuff that needs to be regulated, the harsher the pressure. It's like highly corrosive.
I lost it. Put it back. Still lost it. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Mark, can we use your tailgate? Yeah, move that.
Yeah, push your button.
With your body pressure? Right. No, it's plain safe. Okay. Pretty plain safe. Pressure set.
All right. You there?
Yeah. So, you see me? Yeah, I'm at that first unit, the first refrigeration unit.
All right. Go between the two units. Go right in here. I don't know if I hear you spelling.
So all of your kids are grown, Mark?
David. I like this screen better. All right, you just stand normal. I'm gonna look over your shoulder.
Okay. So and then I can switch to, now I'm looking at, this is infrared view, and again, white is cold, black is hot. Right now I'm showing 19 degrees at the coldest and 115 degrees at the high end. So, and here's another thing I can do on this controller too. So right now I'm recording my screen, okay? So if I wanted to look at just this point right here, then that's telling me what the coldest spot is, and there's the hottest spot. So
So this is telling you temperature as well?
So in this window, it's telling me what the temperature is.
Mark.
So you see that that little window?
Mm-hmm.
I can select a certain part on that window, and it'll tell me the coldest spot and the hottest spot in that window.
Gotcha. And then everything else for the black and white is just heat map, so that's going to be
Yeah, yeah. So and again, white is hot. White is cold. Black is hot.
All right, keep going. All right, now go over to the middle unit.
Okay.
You just keep doing what you're doing.
Okay. So I'm just going to move to the
Yeah,
side.
See, I love how you're doing. All right. Now go down, and I want to look at that flashing.
Okay. And I can either gimbal down like that.
See, I'm gonna get this seam, and I want to get that flashing. I want to be a picture right somewhere around there with that green spot.
Okay. So right now, so the green is basically my zoom. So if I were to go to a split view and use the zoom versus the wide angle, then that's what I would be looking at. So, and I can actually change the zoom. So now the zoom out is going to show me this, or I can select it from my selector to actually change it. But basically, this is a quick zoom, and I can bring it really far out, or I can do the same thing with bringing it in versus going like this.
Yeah, I like that picture. When I get that on the big board, I'll be able to tell everything I want to know right there.
Yeah.
All right. Come on, let's just come on down, and then let's go. Let's get off of the Freon and let's get over here. I think all we're gonna need to do is run that one run right there.
Okay. So you want me to just move over to that one?
Move over, going up, move over.
Okay.
Yeah, drop down and I want to see what's going on in there.
Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty much positioning myself, and then I'm gonna move this direction right here, and I'm gonna actually pull it down so that I can get closer to it. Yeah, because basically what I want to do is I want to maintain visual line of sight with my drone.
Yeah, and now come toward. Yeah.
So you want
come toward us a little.
So pull it back a little bit.
Yeah, we'll bring it this way.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I want to see the edge of the building. It should be the edge of the building down here,
Yes.
right? Where that yellow sign is at right there?
Yeah, so there's the edge of the building.
Okay, that's what I want. Yeah. Just gently run down.
Okay, so you want me to go back over to infrared?
No, you're good. Just keep on going. I know where you're at.
Okay.
I'll remember most of this.
Okay.
Just you're videoing.
So now I'm going to go ahead and do this as a video.
Okay, both of y'all back up this way a little bit. If you're in the shade, you're going to see that screen a whole lot better.
Yeah. Right about.
There you go.
Yeah, right about here. Okay.
That's why you hire a photographer.
Okay. So I can come back this way a little bit.
Y'all want to look? Come on.
I've been watching the other one.
Okay. And this is all visual. This is not infrared.
I want to see what this roof looks like. Drop down on that roof. I don't know.
And then if I zoom in,
Yeah.
that's showing you the texture.
That'll give me I want to see what that is. Oh, you're hidden in the corner, so get up where you can get it high.
Yep.
I can't see it. Get up. You're in this corner over here.
Yep.
There you. Now you're up. Okay.
There we go.
Now come over that way and drop back down. Get out of that corner. If you're like me, you're dyslexic. I'll slam it into the wall.
Yeah. Now I do have propeller guards too, so I typically won't put them on.
You're almost there. You go. Yeah. Now just walk down the room. You're at a good height. Yeah, I like that elevation.
And I can go really slow to where you can actually see all the detail too. So like you can see the water droplets. I can see it on that.
It's imagine what it's going to be like on my big screen.
Yes. Yeah.
You're doing video and stills, Don?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, now we're just shooting roof. I want to shoot. All right, let's get back up on the pipes. Let's go a little bit toward that high wall behind you. You see it right there?
Yeah.
All right, you're too low. Go up higher. Get up high. There you go. Now back on up. Now back that way. There you go. All right, now get on up. Get on up a little bit higher. All right, good. Right there. Right there. Now just run down the road. Nice and slow. You're videoing.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, and the thing is that
Faster. Go a little faster. Yeah, zoom out just zoom out a little bit.
Oh. Okay.
Nice shot. Good job.
You know when you get to see all the valves and stuff in the back, if there's any leaks or anything, it's gonna be back there in the back.
It's gonna be where the valves and all the hookups are.
Yep.
And now just beautiful, beautiful. Good run. Good run.
Yeah, I like to go a little bit slower just to pick up extra detail. And especially when you pause the video, then it's like, oh, now I can really see, because then you can zoom in and it's not all blurry.
That's valuable right there. That's valuable information.
Yeah, because literally doing
look,
all of this
I
from
can
right
see
here.
everything. I can look at the roof. I can look at the pitch fans. I can see the pipes. I can see the stands. Yeah, I like that.
So is that also mapping?
That's all brand new pipe.
No, this is just.
It looks good. Insulated. Majority of it's insulated.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's all brand new. We just got through repiping this whole warehouse. It's stainless.
So is that advantageous? You can see the orientation of the piping? Because I thought we would be wanting to do thermal ceilings.
Well, it depends on the deliverable. If you want to look at, no, this is all visual.
All right, pick up now. Stop and now go stretch for thermal.
Okay, so now I can either do just thermal, or to give you that detail from here.
Now we're running it thermal. Now we're running the section thermal.
And again, the low temperature is 25 degrees. The high temperature is 147.
Yeah. Go up and back that way a little bit. Up and back.
So bring it up a little bit.
What you're seeing ice balls on those valves. Right
there you go.
That white.
I keep running.
That's probably liquid lines. And you're gonna see it's gonna have some ice on those liquid lines, and then the hot gas is up there, and the hot gas valves will be black. That black's hot.
Yes. Yeah, and that's where I can see.
You can see the valves where they're not insulated right there. Yeah.
Okay, so let me show this to you too, just as a demo. Okay, so
wow,
so I can zoom in on this, and then I can select on my control. It's 130 degrees right there, it's 24.9 degrees, 25, 26. Those are the cold spots, and in this window, it's showing me the hot spot and the cold spot. Well, this. Yeah. But this won't show up on the drone footage. It will show up on my controller. So that's where. But I can deliver both. I can, because right now I'm recording the whole time we're doing this on my controller, and then I can give you everything.
Give me both.
So that way you can see my field elevation, where I was, all of that kind of stuff.
See, if you had to do a modification, you could come in here and it would tell. You got a drawing of this, I'm sure.
No, it's PNIDs. Yeah.
Keep rolling.
Okay. So turn that off. Zoom back out. Come back down a little bit.
To the next one, and let's see if that to the next valve cluster.
Yeah.
And let's see if that solenoid valve is the same temperature as that one was. Because that seemed way hot to me for that solenoid this time of morning. Yeah, so we're gonna zoom in on that same valve right there on that.
Yep.
It's on the suction line.
Kind of come over just a
That valve
little bit.
right there.
What's the temperature on that?
Same temperature. 131 degrees on that solenoid valve. There's a little solenoid valve right there.
Yeah.
On top of that, I just didn't think it'd be 131 degrees.
Yeah, because yeah.
Yeah, I was just curious. So I found a problem right there.
But
See, you thought you had a problem, but you don't.
right, and that's where you can actually go through, and I can select on my controller and look at every single one of those, and then I can select and say, okay, that's the temperature here versus the other one, and oh, this one's running a lot hotter, or this one is ambient temperature versus the other ones. This solenoid is probably closed.
All right, keep running on down. You're almost to where we get that corner down there. Is there any box or anything up there that's got electrical in it? Anything up there?
No, all the electricals on those. Just on those valves. On those solenoid valves.
We saw those. So
That's all.
And when I get it on my big screen, I'll be able to look a lot closer. Okay.
There might be something on those AC units over that office or something that's electrical, but they ain't gonna be much that you're gonna be able to see the temperature